About to fire this thing back up for the second time. Put the battery in there. Gonna cook some fish on it tonight. See how it does with that. Did pretty good on the chicken thighs. Give these grates a little scrape here. Tell you what, nothing beats the smell of a pellet grill. So on the chicken thigh cook, I had the sear blocking plate over those little slots to keep the heat from coming out of this end. The burner's right there. But the way it was burning, most of the heat was going that way anyhow, and it was a little warmer on the uphill side of the grease tray. So I went ahead and slid that blocking plate back over and left one slot exposed. So we'll see how hot the grates get and if they heat up evenly. All right, she's warmed up. Let's get the fish on. Still running a little hotter. From here over is hot. This area of the grill is kind of cool, so that'd be a good low temperature zone if you needed it. We've got a couple of beautiful blue line tilefish fillets to go on here. Some big old loins going on over there. I'm gonna cook this one where it's a little cooler, since that's a lot smaller. Let's get some smoke in that fish. Let's have a look here. One important thing about fish is you want to flip it early, because if you don't, it'll just fall all to pieces in the grill. Let me see. Oh yeah, that's looking pretty good right there. Not bad at all. Fish cooks relatively quick. Like I said, flip it early. Look at that. Blue line tile is awfully hard to beat on a grill, especially a pellet grill. And let's check the temperatures out here. We'll Chef Temp Instant readout. That's just about what I'm looking for too, between 125 and 135. That's a little cool yet. That one too, they need a little bit longer. This little one here though, that dude is ready to go. That is a perfect little piece of blue line tilefish right there. I know that front one's done. Let's have a look at the back one. Yep, I will take it. Very nice. Now, if you guys are wondering what blue line tilefish is, I'll put a picture somewhere right in here for you to see it. There is no better eating fish, I don't think, in the ocean. That right there is absolutely perfect. Now hit that thumbs up button for some perfectly grilled fish on the Asmoke Essential Tailgate Pellet Grill. Links to everything are down in the description below as usual. Make sure you hit that subscribe button over there as well, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss videos like this one when they come out. I promise you'll learn stuff on this channel. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. That's a chili dog right there, y'all.